boat. Look at our boat. Look at ours only. Let her run, let her run, let her run.
All boat crew,
Let her run.
we have a line.
Get ready.
Already in the water.
Please.
Timing, guys, timing!
Look up! Long! Deep! Harder! Deeper! You guys gotta want this!
Come on, come on, guys! Get it together! Shouldn't hear anything clapping.
Longer! Deeper! Long! Deep! Long! Deep! Reach! Reach! Power!
Come on!
Deeper, long, deep, long. Guys in the back, give me longer. Come on, guys in the back, give me more. Harder,
Thanks.
So when you guys excited, just look up.
Hi.
Okay? Long and deep is the way to go.
Long and deep.
A long race, okay?
NTC! NTC!
Good job, guys.
It's very creative, actually. I like that.
Beer!
Pizza!
Whiskey!
Woo!
That's right, long and steady. It's a long race. No need to rush. Let them catch you.
Why are we waiting?
Because the dock is full.
Yeah.
Parking space. I can't park.
We finished faster than we expected. We're already finished.
Long and deep is your friend, right? You don't need to go faster. The whole boat has to go at the same speed. Okay? You don't need to rush. Just concentrate on each stroke. Justin, take it in first. Okay, guys, give me 3 strokes. Paddles up. Go.
Was this the tail or the minor?
I think it's the minor.
This is the minor?
Yeah, 50 is a
Where are the minor? Okay, thank you.
Give me 3 more strokes. I gotta feel it. 1, 2, 3. Good. Right side, ropes. Find your ropes.
Got it. Give me that.
Left side, slow us down. Drag your paddles. Drag your paddles left side. Yeah. Okay, let it run. Good job.